In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to hit Apps section available here. That's because this POCO offers you app cloner, so you don't need to download one. Just hit Dual Apps at the top. Hit Create and tap on gray switches next to any of those apps to clone it. Confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. If you wanna clone one of the recommended ones, just tap on it and use the switcher next to Dual Apps. In this case, you can also adjust Share to WhatsApp and Wake using Google Assistant by clicking on those two options and applying one of the available ones from the pop-up. Always ask Default App or Dual App. Whatever you decided when you're ready, simply go back and check out your cloned apps. Sorry, misclick. Now, if you want to delete any of your clones, you can uninstall it like you would any other app by holding it, tapping bin button and choosing uninstall. Or, what most people miss, you can just go back to the same section in your settings, tap on blue switcher next to an app you previously cloned, and hit OK in the pop-up to uninstall this clone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!